comprei maracujá. Acho que tá amarelinho, né? Na cor dele até que tá bonitinho. Comprei também goiaba, só porque tá verde. Eu acho que 2 ou 3 dias, né? Tá maduro. Comprei também a maçã, a uva, aquela uva roxinha, né? E também comprei a sanitária, a da IP, sabão em líquido, sabão em pó em líquido, o detergente e o amaciante. Também a maçã que tá aqui em cima, essa maçãzinha, o Danone. Aqui é a mistura, né? Tipo o peito e coxa. E aqui nessa caixa tá papel toalha, papel higiênico, bombril, bucha de prato. Aqui é o extrato de tomate, leite condensado e o creme de leite. E aqui é o bombril, né? E a bucha de prato. Eu coloquei aqui para organizar, para vocês verem. E também o feijão. Aqui é o arroz, o açúcar mascado, macarrão e a massa de milho. Só que eu comprei 2, né? E 2 pacotes de café em pó, desse do coração. E aqui papel toalha, né? E papel higiênico. Esses 2 pacotes aqui e o óleo. E aqui também e o leite, né? Aí agora eu vou organizar aqui o armário. Botei aqui em cima, né? Tudo organizadinho pra vocês verem direitinho que tava na caixa, na mochila. Aí botei aqui organizadinho pra vocês verem aqui. Organizado. Daqui eu vou botar lá debaixo da pia. E aqui também eu vou organizar também, né? Que aqui é a mistura e aqui é o limão. O inhame que eu comprei. E aqui é a batata doce, né? Chega tá limpinha. Gosto assim, batata limpinha. Não gosto daquelas batatas cheias de buraquinho, não. Tem que ser assim, limpinho. E também o limão, né? E o inhame. E aqui eu vou organizar e vou botar uma música de fundo para vocês ouvirem.
If you're reading this now, odds are I've already left town. A few cities in between, the new skyline where I'm looking down. A few empties on the floor and a note on the door of your house. And this silence reminds me of what's left behind me for now. There's a broken down car parked outside the barn up the road, and a weather vane hanging all crooked from the rain and the snow. I'm a half-mile past where we ran out of gas years ago. So I'm taking my time and I'm gonna drive by it once more. But you'll see there's a new life waiting, and I just don't want this feeling things that you do when I leave. There's a million little things that I'll miss. Just know that somehow you don't need another reason to leave me if you're reading this now. I'm a long ways away, but you're safe, and I know you're better off this way. If you're reading this now. I think we all thought that we did the right thing, but it didn't turn out that way. It's been heavy and we're starting to break, but I hope you'll be okay. There's little difference in the words that we say, 'cause we all want the same thing. The sun still rises in her usual way to welcome a new day. I don't feel it anymore, and I know I'm not the same. I'll keep trying to put it on, but I'm fading away. I'm staring out into a whole new space where I know I should feel safe. My heart is breaking and this look on my face shouldn't look this way again. So much confusion in this theater of pain with the roles we all play. I'm standing up and I don't care what it takes. I don't care what they say. I keep staring at the floor, and I'm tired of these games. I keep trying to be strong, but I'm fading away. I'll protect you as best as I can. That's the job of a family man. I don't feel it anymore, and I know I'm not the same. I'll keep trying to put it on, but I'm fading away. I don't feel it anymore, and I know I'm not the same. I'll keep trying to put it on, but I'm fading away. I'm fading away. I'm fading away. I think we all thought that we did the right thing, but it didn't turn out that way. It's been heavy and we're starting to break, but I hope you'll be okay. There's little difference in the words that we say, 'cause we all want the same thing. still rises